Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we will learn how to make sentences using 50 words. I have a pet dog. Leaf. The color of leaf is green. Tall. He is very tall. House. My house is very big. School. I go to school every day. Under. Cow is under the tree. Teacher. My teacher is very intelligent. Behind. The dog hide behind the sofa. Box. This box is empty. Pen. I have a blue pen. Park. I play in the park. Sky. The color of sky is blue. Chair. Please sit on the chair. Table. This table is very big. Pretty. I have a pretty dress. Beautiful. My hairs are very beautiful. Garden. We have a garden in backyard. Daily. We go to the school daily. Pencil. I write with pencil. Rain. Rain drops from the sky. Bag. I have a big bag. Dry. My skin is very dry. Hot. The sun is very hot. Go. We will go to the park. Kind. My mother is kind lady. Flower. I love smell of rose flower. Sunday. Sunday is a holiday. Bus. I go to the school by bus. Play. I play with my friend. Hungry. I am very hungry. Busy. He is very busy. Match. We have won the match. Car. I have a toy car. Like. I like to play football. Walk. We go for the walk in morning. Soft. I have a soft toy. Love. I love to drink juice. Please. Please open the door. Stop. Stop the car. Ice cream. I like to eat ice cream. Game. We play Ludo game. Letter. He writes a letter for me. Lonely. She feels lonely. Book. This is my book. Toy. I play with my toy. Tiger. Tiger is a wild animal. Make. I make food for my mother. Red. Apple is red in color. Fan. The fan is on. forest. Animals live in the forest. Thank you for watching.